The Little Red Hen. A little red hen lived on a farm with a cat, a dog, and a duck. One day she found a few grains of wheat.
Who will sow the wheat?
She said.
Not I.
Said the duck.
Not I.
Said the cat.
Not I.
Said the dog.
Very well then.
Said the little red hen.
I will sow.
So she sowed the wheat. After some time, the wheat grew tall with ears full of grain.
Who will cut the wheat?
Asked the little red hen.
Not I.
Said the duck.
Not I.
Said the cat.
Not I.
Said the dog.
Very well then.
Said the little red hen.
I will.
So she cut the wheat.
Now,
She said.
who will thresh the wheat? Not I.
Said the duck.
Not I.
Said the cat.
Not I.
Said the dog.
Very well then.
Said the little red hen.
I will.
So she threshed the wheat. When the wheat was threshed, she said.
Who will grind the wheat? Not I.
Said the duck.
Not I.
Said the cat.
Not I.
Said the dog.
Very well then.
Said the little red hen.
I will.
So she ground the wheat. When the wheat was ground into flour, she said.
Who will bake the bread? Not I.
Said the duck.
Not I.
Said the cat.
Not I.
Said the dog.
Very well then.
Said the little red hen.
I will.
And she baked a lovely loaf of bread. Then she said.
Who will eat the bread? Oh, I will.
Said the duck.
Oh, I will.
Said the cat.
Oh, I will.
Said the dog.
Oh no, you won't.
Said the little red hen.
I will.
And she called her chicks, and they all ate up the lovely loaf of bread. Look at the picture. Read what it shows and say what will happen. चित्र पहा, वर्णन वाचा आणि पुढं काय होईल ते सांगा. Mr. Clean does not like the scribbling on the wall. What will he do? हे आहेत मिस्टर क्लीन. त्यांना असं भिंतीवरती काहीतरी खरडलेलं अजिबात आवडत नाही. काय बरं करतील ते? He will clean the wall. ते भिंत स्वच्छ करतील. Now this picture. Manisha is hungry. What will she do? She will eat her tiffin. Next picture. Dolly falls and hurts her knee. Dolly पडली आणि तिचे गुडघ्यांना दुखापत झालीये. What will her friends do? तिचे मित्रमैत्रिणी काय बरं करतील? They will take her to doctor. Next picture. Mr. Knocker wants to enter this house. What will he do? मिस्टर नॉकरना ह्या घरात प्रवेश करायचा आहे. काय करावं त्यांनी? He will ring the bell. ते दारावरची बेल वाजवतील. नाहीतर काय करतील? He will knock the door. दारावर ठकठक करतील. Next picture. Manish is thirsty. What will he do? He will drink water. Next picture. Mr. and Mrs. Engineer are busy. Sheru wants to play. What will happen? Mr. आणि Mrs. Engineer कामात आहेत. शेरूला त्यांच्याशी खेळायचंय. काय करेल तो? It will bark. तो भुंकून त्यांना सांगेल, खेळा माझ्याशी. Next picture. It is about to rain. What will they do? कुठल्याही क्षणी पाऊस पडेल. काय बरं करतील हे? Sunil is getting ready for school. What will he do? He will wear his raincoat. Taji is going to water the plants. What will he do? He will not water the plants. Vanita Kaku has put the clothes on the cloth line to dry. Vanita Kakunni बाहेर कपडे वाळत घातलेत. What will she do? She will take out the clothes. Sundara is grazing. Sundara गाय चरत आहे. What will it do? It will come back home. Say what the people and animals in the picture are doing and then answer the questions. चित्रातली माणसं आणि प्राणी काय करतायत ते सांगा आणि मग प्रश्नांची उत्तरं द्या. Look at this picture. Subhan is taking gavas to the market. In this picture, the girl is riding the bicycle. The bird is flying. The buffalo is grazing. The monkey is sitting on the branch of the tree. Now, tell me who took the gavas? The monkey. Next picture. Champa is selling flowers at the bus stop. In the queue, there is a schoolboy, a man, a woman and a girl. Who bought the flowers? The woman. Next picture. Sonu and Monu are busy watching TV. The cat and the dog are sitting near the sofa. There is milk on the table. Who drank the milk? The cat. Next picture. Magan and his gardener are looking for Magan's ring. In the pond, there are fish. On the roof, there is a crow. Who found the ring? The crow.